Hi everyone, good morning. Yesterday we discussed about food and three of its component protein, carbohydrates and fats. Okay? Today today we will discuss about vitamins, minerals, water and fibers. Okay? So let starts our discussion again. Vitamins. We all know vitamins plays a major part in our food, or vitamins are the major component of our food of balanced diet also. Compounds needs in small amount to regulate body processes and allow growth are called vitamins. Okay, compounds which are needed in small amount but they are necessary for the doing body processes as well as the growth. Okay, so you can see in the image also an orange is or a lemon is shown over there. They are a rich source of vitamins. Okay, then the functions helps in digestion, absorption, metabolism. Okay, they definitely help in the process of digestion, also in the process of absorption of food, as well as they will increase the metabolism of human body. Okay, let's see what are the various sources of vitamins, their names, types of vitamins, names, sources and their functions in our body. Let's start with vitamin A. Sources are eggs, milk, carrot, papaya. Okay, why they are needed? They are required for the growth and promote healthy skin. Okay, so for food, night vision also they will definitely help for good night vision. Okay, for good night vision they are helpful. So the sources are egg, milk and carrot, papaya. So you should take milk in sufficient amount for good maintaining the good vision as well as proper growth and development of the body. Okay, next is vitamin B. Again you can see egg, yeast, liver, nuts, tomato are the rich sources of vitamin B. And there you can see what is the function of vitamin B in our body. Promotes the effective functioning of our nervous system. Okay, then controls the supply of carbohydrates to and nerve cells muscles and nerve cells. Then next is vitamin C is the sources of vitamin C are green vegetables, tomato and lime. Okay, so what they will do in our body, they increases the immunity against disease, promotes healthy skin, promotes healthy skin. Okay, next is source of vitamin D. They are egg, milk, cod liver oil. Okay, cod liver oil, they are also the rich source of vitamin D. So you can see egg is a source of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D as well as vitamin E also. Okay, so vitamin D helps in the absorption of calcium. and phosphorus in small intestine. E, vegetable oil, egg, liver, milk, palm oil. Okay, these are the sources of vitamin E. They are vegetable oil, okay, egg, liver, milk, palm oil also. What is the function? They maintain a healthy reproductive system. They maintain the healthy reproductive system. Okay, then last is vitamin K. Sources are sunflower seed, maize, necessary for clothing of blood. Okay, it is very much necessary. The clothing of blood is mandatory for the proper functioning of hands, other body parts, as well as doing daily routine tasks. Okay, so let's move in this. We will recapitulate this again. We studied about sources, different types of vitamins, their sources and their functions. Okay, we studied about 6 types of vitamins: A, B, C, D, E, and K, as well as various sources also. And then we discussed their functions in our body, why vitamins are needed. We can justify it on the basis of the various functions, various tasks performed by the vitamins. Okay, let's move further. Now let's move to the another component of food. It is minerals, naturally occurring in organic substance. Naturally occurring in organic substance are called minerals: calcium, magnesium, iron, sodium, zinc, phosphorus. They are, you can see from the pick, various minerals. The function of minerals in our body is catalyst for many biological reactions within the body. Let's try to understand first the word catalyst. Catalysts are those substances which do not take part in any of the reaction, but they help the reaction to take place. They increase the speed of the reaction. Okay, they are called catalyst. Okay, so the minerals are the catalyst for many biological reactions within the body. Okay, next is production of hormones. Minerals are responsible for the production of hormones. So structural functions: calcium, phosphorus in bones, S sulfur in keratin. Okay, acid base and water balance, sodium. Okay, sodium, calcium, potassium. Okay, they are acid base and water balance of the food. They will maintain that. Now the sources of minerals. Minerals help your body work properly. The sources of minerals are milk, meat, whole grain and cereals. Okay, the animal foods are best sources of calcium, iron and zinc. Then next is plant foods are good sources of potassium and magnesium. Okay, plant foods are good sources of potassium and magnesium. Now let's move further to another source of another component of food: water is very essential component of our body, because a major portion of our body is formed of water. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It is essential for most of the life processes, essential for most of the life processes or body functions. Okay, it is also helpful in throwing out some waste from body as urine and sweat also. So water, without water we will not be able to survive, similar to that without oxygen. Okay, so water is an essential component, necessary component for our body also. Okay, it helps in the absorption of nutrients from the food, essential for the life processes or the body functions, and it is also helpful in excreting the waste from the body. Let's move further. Sources of water, you can see the top water rich foods shown over there. We drink water directly as well as we receive from water from milk, tea, fruits, vegetables, cold drink, etc. And you can see the other sources of food that are rich in water. Cucumber you can see, okay, tomato you can see, cauliflower you can see, watermelon 96% of water it is having, carrot also you can see 90% of water, other vegetables also you can see which are very much rich in water. Okay, let's move further. We will now start our discussion of the last component of our food, that is fiber. Dietary fiber is the part of the food that cannot be digested by human enzymes, cannot be digested by human enzymes. Okay, so the function of fibers is it prevents constipations, very right, adds bulk to assist in the peristalsis, absorb water, retain water, therefore softer faces for the easy defecation. Okay, so let's discuss something more. What are the various sources of dietary fibers? You can see various sources of dietary fiber are soluble fiber, fruits, plums, berries, banana, apple, pears, root, tubers, sweet potato and onions, certain vegetables, broccoli as well as carrot, leguminous, peas and soybean, These are some examples of soluble fibers, examples of some soluble fibers. Insoluble fibers, whole grain foods, wheat and corn brain, wheat and corn brain. Last one is leguminous such as beans and peas, nuts and seeds. Okay, these are some examples of insoluble fibers, examples of some insoluble fibers. Okay, so dear students, we discussed about food and its various components such as protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. And now we will discuss only few questions over here. For question segments I will discuss more videos with you. Okay, so try to find out the answers of these questions by yourself. I will not give any hint. Okay, Which of the following is essential for the growth and formation of new cells? We have discussed the same in this video also, in the previous video, or maybe in this video. So just try to find out whether it is carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, fats. Okay, so let's move to next question. The indigestible material in food is known as. Indigestible material in food is known as, whether it is vitamin, mineral, roughage, or water. Try to find out the answer of this question also. Which of the following are the sources of fats? Sources of fats: oil, ghee, butter, eggs, rice, wheat, potato, iron, and calcium. I will tell you its answer will be A. So first and question I left for you. Try to answer those questions. Okay? Try to answer those questions. So let's move further. Okay, dear students, in this way we got a brief understanding of this chapter, that is food and its component. Okay, we will discuss about more when your school will open, as well as we will discuss some more questions related to this chapter. So dear students, thank you so much for listening me patiently. Enjoy your day. Okay dear students, have a good day.